So this is unboxing for the Loctek wall mount, TV mount for my new TV. Right there, 43-inch LG to replace the 32-inch which I has bought long time ago. Fortunately for me, on the wall there already has a previous holes drilled to it, so that means I know where the hard wall is gonna be. So let's see what we have inside the box. I got this from Vision on a discount price. Original price is $150, which I got it for about $68 before tax. First, this is the instruction booklet. And two pieces of, I don't know what this is. Probably the wings. Next is that's the upside. Actually, that's label point up. That's upside. This is the extension. Cover the holes. And we got the attachment for the TV. For the measurement on the wall. That's good. That's all for the box. And inside, get back to some screws. Stuff for the wall. This is the, not sure if you can see it, long screws for the wall. A lot of screws for the attachments, and this is all what's inside. And I'm gonna unbox my TV first before I'm gonna install it. Thank you. Okay, fortunately for me, this new TVs is 200 by 200. Whatever that means is probably smaller. So this is up, this is down. It actually has an arrow pointing up. So all I need is this small plate to attach to the TV. So which means I do not need two extra plate that comes with it. So it's supposed to have two plates that come on both sides to extend it bigger if you have a bigger TV. So right now I don't need this one. It's gonna be garbage for me. So first I'm gonna have to attach this here, screw them in. Oh, nice. Fits 4 holes. So I'm gonna screw this in and then drill some hole on the wall. They have 4 types of screw. Actually, they labeled it A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 5 and 6 will be attached into it. Almost dropped my camera. A1 to 4 are different screw that fits the whole of your TV. So it's pretty good. Different kinds, different sizes. I'm gonna have to look for the size I want. put this, and then this with a black thing. I don't know why. And then screw through these two and go in the plate, then the TV. Okay, it's time to screw it to make holes on the wall so I can screw the wall mount up. And need my help. Need the second person's help. Right now I need my wife's help. So let's make some holes. This was given. This comes with a box made for the same size of the mount, back of the mount. So I would suggest to use tape. Tape this on the wall, but I'm lazy, which I already have a hole. It can hold it stable. It's actually just a fake one. The wall is the wood behind the wall is too tiny. Hopefully it'll hold pretty tight. So we have to gamble. So next step is the plastic cover. Okay, it's time to put the TV up. Let's go. Oh, good. Let's get started. Yeah, that's it. So now all I have to do is just tighten the screw in the back. And yeah, that's pretty well. Okay. Woo! It's tightened now, so let's check out the movements. Left and right, because it's in the corner, so it's a little bit tough for me. Ooh. Now it's like completely against the wall. Extend it out. Ooh. And then as for tilting part, let's see. Tilting up. So this is up, and then it's actually won't allow you to tilt manually, but I mean automatically. But if you wanted to, like, this is the default mode that is actually tilt about, let's say, 20 degrees. So 18 degrees, if I saw it right on the description. But if you wanted to stand straight up, you just have to tighten the screw in the back. There's a screw in the back that you can tighten it, so that it will stay there. So now it's loose, so that's why it bends down, which is perfect for me. My bed is down there. Thank you for watching, everybody. Time consuming and annoying. I think the hardest part is to find where the solid wall is. I don't know if I can do this again. Thank you for watching.